This is the segment 11. Our segment 11, Ishikawa diagram. Ishikawa diagrams, fishbone diagrams, herringbone diagrams, or cause and effect diagrams are used to identify problems in a system by showing how causes and effects are linked. Environment, people, environment. Measurement, material. Machine, method. Cause and effect scenario or cause and effect scenario in an illustration. Left ventricle bullseye. MRI with EEG. MRI density illustration. Radar chart, aka spider or star chart. The Sankey class. The default settings produce a diagram like this. Flow diagram of a widget. Two systems. Long chain of connections using Sankey. Demonstrate test the Sankey class by producing a long chain of connections. Why would you want to do this but you could? Palagay na title sa kanyang ginawang, sa kinalabasan ng kanyang code na illustration. Rankine power cycle. This Rankine power cycle, example 8.6 from Moran and Shapiro, Fundamentals of Engineering Thermodynamics. Sputi log P diagram using transforms and custom projections. Topographic hill shading. Demonstrates the visual effect of varying blend mode and vertical exaggeration on hillshaded plots. Hill-shaded plots. Vertical exaggeration, blend mode, hillshade HSV overlay soft. Next, spines. Spine placement. Drop spines, multiple y-axis with spines, centered spines with arrows. This demo compares. Kinokompara yung normal spine sa bottom left spine sa spines with bounds limited to data range. Yung spine placement, mahahawahan daw siya gamit nitong set position. Silitin natin ang set position na data. Yung pieces niya, and yung properties and descriptions. Spine placement. Drop spines, aka drop spines, ang tawag. Multiple y-axis with spines. Density, temperature, velocity. Multiple y-axis with spines, centered spines with arrows. Ayun yung x-axis and y-axis. After ng spines, meron tayong ticks. Ticks. Automatically setting tick positions. Centering levels between ticks. Color bar, tick leveling. Gaussian noise with vertical color bar. Gaussian noise with horizontal color bar. Meron yung division into 3 items, low, medium, and high. Custom ticker. Formatting date ticks using concise date formatter. Default date formatter. Concise date formatter. Concise, ayan. Localization of the formats. Concise date formatter registered non-default. Date demo convert. Placing date ticks using recurrence rules. Date tick locators and formatters. Custom tick formatter for time series. Plot y at x coordinates. Plot y at index coordinates using custom formatter. Aside sa mga custom ticks, meron ding dollar ticks, feed access customized simple. Feed access customized simple. Major and minor ticks. Multi-level nested ticks. Move x-axis. Tick levels to the top. Rotating custom tick levels. Fixing too many ticks. Ticks seem out of order, misplaced ticks as expected. Categories floats, too many ticks, x converted to numbers. Example, 2 strings can lead to very many ticks. Dates out of order, x converted to date times. After ng too many ticks, we have what we called the section of units. These examples cover the many representations of units. Annotation with units. Artist tests. Artists with units. Bar demo with units. Centimeters and in inches. Group bar chart with units. Cup height by group and beverage choice. G1 to G5. Basic units. Ellipse with units. Evans test. Custom units. Radian ticks. Inches and centimeters.